Potato chips, a crunchy delight found in nearly every pantry, has a story as rich as their flavor. From humble beginnings to a global snack staple, these thin slices of potato have conquered our taste buds. Made from just potatoes, oil, and a dash of salt, the process behind these crispy treats is both fascinating and surprisingly simple. So, how do they do it? The journey of potato chips from a simple kitchen experiment to a snack loved worldwide is as crispy as the chips themselves. It all started back in 1853 in Saratoga Springs, New York, when a chef, annoyed by a customer's complaint about thick fries, sliced potatoes as thin as possible, fried them to a crisp, and seasoned them with salt. Little did he know, he had just created the first batch of potato chips. This accidental invention quickly caught on. By the early 20th century, potato chips were being packaged and sold in local groceries and markets, but they were still considered a luxury item. It wasn't until the 1920s, with the invention of the mechanical potato peeler, that chips became easier and cheaper to produce, paving the way for mass production. At the core of every potato chip is, well, the potato. But not just any potato makes the cut. The best chips come from varieties like Russet or Yukon Gold, known for their ideal starch content and firm texture. These potatoes are thinly sliced, soaked in water to remove excess starch, and then fried or baked to crispy perfection in oils such as canola, sunflower, or even olive oil for a touch of luxury. Salt is the classic seasoning, but the world of potato chips doesn't stop there. The flavor possibilities are endless, ranging from the tangy zest of vinegar to the smoky depth of barbecue. Each flavor is carefully crafted to complement the potato's natural taste, ensuring that every bite is as satisfying as the last. The texture plays a big part too, from the classic thin and crispy to kettle-cooked chips with their hearty crunch. There's a chip for every preference. And let's not forget about the ridged chips, designed to hold even more flavor in their grooves. In this simple snack, the magic lies in the combination of the right potato, the perfect slice, the ideal cooking method, and the best seasoning. It's a straightforward formula, but the variations it produces are anything but simple. It all starts with the selection of the right potatoes, which are then washed clean and peeled. Precision is key, as each potato is sliced into the perfect thinness to ensure that ideal crunch we all love. Once sliced, these potato thins are fried until they reach a golden hue. The temperature and timing are crucial here. Too hot or too long in the oil, and you'll end up with a burnt chip. Not hot enough or too short, and you'll have a soggy one. After their oil bath, the chips are drained and given a sprinkle of salt or a dash of flavoring, transforming them from plain potatoes to the snacks we crave. They're then cooled and inspected. Only the best chips make it through, ensuring every bag is filled with the perfect crunch. Each chip is gently placed into bags that are designed to lock in freshness and keep out moisture. This ensures that each chip remains as crispy as when it first came out of the fryer. Once bagged and sealed, these chips are boxed up and shipped out to stores near and far. From the smallest corner shops to the largest supermarkets, potato chips find their way into the snack aisles. Potato chips are a global phenomenon that transcends borders. Each country adds its own twist, making the humble potato chip a reflection of cultural tastes and preferences. In some places, you might find chips flavored with unique local spices, while in others, seaweed or even wasabi adds an unexpected kick. Chips can be a side to a sandwich, the star of a party platter, or a comforting solo treat. They've even inspired creative culinary uses, from crushed chip toppings on casseroles to inventive chip-based recipes that add crunch to traditional dishes. The cultural impact of potato chips is evident in their presence at gatherings and celebrations worldwide. Potato chips have inspired competitions, art, and even fashion, showcasing their influence beyond the snack aisle. From potato chip flavor contests to clothing patterns mimicking their crinkled texture. The impact of this snack extends far beyond the bag. From a simple potato to a snack that crosses continents, potato chips add a crunch to life's moments. They're a slice of global culture. Curious about another everyday favorite? Discover how ice cream cones are made. Click here to keep the flavor journey going.